Hello, Achiever Beaver here, and I am here to show you how to make a face cover out of a t-shirt. This is all you need: t-shirt, sharp scissors, and bobby pin, or something that you can kind of slide on to just show your place. So that's it. Easy enough, right? I didn't have a bandana. I have scars, but they're big and fat and thick. I could not get it to stay around my face. So this is what I have. These are from the thrift store. Of course, you can just use one you have at home. Larger one is a good idea. I used to make shopping bags with these, so that's why I had them. I have a whole pile of them. I thought, oh, this is what we gotta do. So here we go. Let me show you how to do this. So first things first, well, for me, I'm gonna take those off. And by the way, it's International Beaver Day, so I am all ready for it. All day, this has been me. These teeth make me beaver every day. But all right, so what we're gonna do, you're gonna take this and you're gonna do over your nose and back. And then you're going to feel down to where, hit your chin, and you're going to take it like that. My lipstick's on here, but guess what? These are washable. It had to look good for you guys, right? So I folded it in half once you get that place, because what we need to do, we're going to have to double it up. So got it in half here. I'm gonna take my scissors. Let me move that down just a bit. You don't need to see my face, right? All right, so let's go ahead and cut it straight across. And I mean, unless you're super vain, I wouldn't worry too much about it looking perfect. I mean, I'm a bit of a perfectionist, but this will do. We gotta just have something to get out there, right? I mean, really, again, this isn't a face mask. This is a face cover. This is so, mostly, you have this on, you try to protect your face and get it in there where you're not supposed to do. We know we're not supposed to do this. You're not gonna get your hands in there. So, here we go. All right, so we're in half here. So I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna cut it down the middle. When I say down the middle, don't worry about where. If you have seams, then you probably need to be a little more aware of it, but for this case, it's all one, just one big strip anyway, so it doesn't matter. So you lay that out. I'm gonna pull my bobby pin back because that is going to be in use. And then we're gonna fold it over like so. And you want to line it up the best you can. Right, there we go. Then what we're going to do is now you're going to fold it once again across. And you know what? The reason I do this is because I'm lazy. I don't want to have to do it extra cuts. And lining it up is probably the best way to do it anyway, so. All right, there we go. So then, actually, you can do that, but you are gonna have to open it up a little bit. So you're gonna kind of take it like this, and you're gonna put it right here. And you're gonna go back to your ears, right in front of your ears, right there, see? Could you hear me? Right in front of your ears, you're gonna hit right there. All right, then you're gonna kind of push these back together. And this is where you take that bobby pin, which disappears on here. And you just mark that spot. And slide it on. So, there you go. Everything's still lined up. You go right to your ears. There you go. And then, the next step here is you're gonna wanna take this and probably, I would say, I like to do it to the thumb, right? So the first little bendy here. So I just take that and I go about there, and then the other side about there, and then you're going to make a cut, but just do one at a time, of course. So like that, and you're going to take this all the way to the bobby pin, and then stop. Work it, work it, work it, work it, work it. Boom. Right about to where the ears go. And now you're going to do that on the other side. Take about that same, this isn't, you know, an exact measurement. If you want to do it that way, feel free, but it's not going to really matter. You're not going to see everything in the end. So, all right. So I hit my bobby pin and pull that guy out. That was just a little marker. And then you're going to take that middle section there and you're going to cut that out now. Guess what? You're almost done. So here is the next step. Now, again, if you're vain, this may not be the best thing for you, but it's going to give you some protection because all these here, they're a little funky. They don't look gorgeous. So what you're going to do now, you're going to do right like you did before. Good luck understanding me now that I'm going to be all muffled, but we'll work this out. Oh, first of all, let me take these off. And I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail. If you have hair long enough to put in a ponytail, that's probably the right way to do it, the best way to do it, because you can tie kind of right around your ponytail. So that's what we'll do here. All right. So let's go with this again. And you're going to tie it like this and in a bow. Now you can certainly, once you get it all figured out, adjust. You know, once you get that going, you can adjust your, the ties. All right, so next, what we're going to do is you're going to fold this because you want to be able to put extra filters in there, right? Or filters if you have them. If not, just extra fabric, obviously. Extra fabric will be better, or a filter. And you're going to pull that up and you're going to tie that too. I didn't do a great job, did I? It's hard because I've been doing it in the mirror. Can't see myself here. So, right, next up, that last one, you're going to take and you're going to fold up. Ta-da! Or ta-da! And now all you have to do is pull this down and use some scraps. Put a little there, put it right in there. Bam. And there you go. And this is your final product.